Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an IELTS vocabulary test. Let's begin. 1. What is the meaning of contrast? It means show the difference. Question 2. What is the meaning of contribute? It means give or add. Question 3. What is the meaning of controversy? The correct option is C. Question 4. What is the meaning of convene? It means to meet up. Question 5. What is the meaning of converse? It means to talk with someone. Question 6. What is the meaning of convert? It means change into a different form. Question 7. What is the meaning of convince? It means to make someone believe. Question 8. What is the meaning of corporate? It means to work together. Question 9. What is the meaning of coordinate? It means to organize or arrange. Question 10. What is the meaning of core? It means the most important part. Question 11. What is the meaning of corporate? The correct option is C. Question 12. What is the meaning of correspond? It means write to each other. Question 13. What is the meaning of couple? It means two people or things. Question 14. What is the meaning of create? It means to make something. Question 15. What is the meaning of credit? It means a way to buy now and pay later. Question 16. What is the meaning of criteria? It means standards for judgment. Question 17. What is the meaning of crucial? It means very important. Question 18. What is the meaning of cultural? It means relating to customs. Question 19. What is the meaning of currency? It means money used in a country. Question 20. What is the meaning of cycle? It means a repeated process. Question 21. What is the meaning of data? It means information or facts. Question 22. What is the meaning of debate? It means a formal argument. Question 23. What is the meaning of decade? It means 10 years. Question 24. What is the meaning of decline? It means decrease. Question 25. What is the meaning of deduce? It means to figure out from facts. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.